Hey, it's me Rashad again. Before I get ready for the office, let's learn a quick crochet stitch. That is the first stitch of our crochet tutorial video. So don't waste time, let's go. Today we are using a 3.5 mm crochet hook, cotton yarn. In the last video, we learned how to make a slip knot and how to make the chains. If you haven't watched a video yet, kindly watch it and come back to this video. It will be helpful. So this is how we make a slip knot in an easy way, and insert your hook. Now we need to make 15 chains. 1, 2, yarn over and pull through the loop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15. I know you are a beginner. Keep practicing and you will master the skill one day. Now we are going to the main part of the video. We need to make a single crochet. So single crochet is the base of almost all the crochet projects. You can make almost anything with single crochet. It will give a premium look to your projects as well. Now we are going to make a single crochet. So for making a single crochet, for getting a neat design, we need to make single crochet from the second chain from the hook. This is your first chain and this is your second chain. We need to make a single crochet from the second chain from the hook. So how we will do a single crochet? This is the first chain and this is the second chain. So insert your hook in the second chain and yarn over and pull the yarn through that loop. So you got 2 loops remaining. Again yarn over and pull through all the loops. This is called a single crochet. I want you to make single crochet throughout the end of this chain. Okay, we made first and second. So in total you will be getting 14 single crochet. I want you to do single crochet throughout the end and I will meet you there. Here I have made the single crochet till here and my 2 stitches are remaining. So I'm doing single crochet over there. Okay, and last stitch. That's how you do a single crochet. Now when coming to turning the rows and when coming to creating the rows, we need to add an extra chain that will give a neat finishing. Okay, now we have made an extra chain and this is our last single crochet, right? Now we need to insert our hook in the chain and pull the loop and 1 single crochet done. Again in the second chain done. After finishing this stitch, add an extra chain like the way I added an extra chain over here. That will give a neat finishing. Here I'm finishing that row. So this is my last chain in the row. Insert your hook and pull through the loop. Pull through all the loops. That means a single crochet. Now we need to add an extra chain. So this shape, you will get a clear shape like this, or else one row will be here, another row will be here, like that. We don't want a zigzag pattern, right? Now we need to add the single crochet here through this way, you will be finishing your project. I suggest or I request you to make a shawl or a miniature shawl using single crochet. So you can send me that on my Instagram. I will be checking, and I will, if something is missing, I will be correcting you. That's it for the day. Keep practicing. I'll be coming with another stitch and another video for this series. Till then, bye bye.